Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Health Leap Home Exercise Program Creator. My name is Antonina. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use the profile and account settings on our platform. Whether you're new or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, start by navigating to the login page of our website, thehealthleap.ca. Second, log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Third, click the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Profile and Account. It's easy to add your profile picture or logo. First, click, drag, and drop your company logo into the placeholder, or you can upload a new photo from your device. Click Update. Second, verify your uploaded photo by clicking View Image. Here's 2 tips to have a professional profile picture. First, for company logos, use .png file with a transparent background for the best results. Second, for profile pictures, make sure your photo is a clear headshot to help others recognize you. Next, enter or update your personal information such as your first name, last name, and phone number. Make sure to keep this information current so we can easily connect with you. Now, for the language settings. For free plans, the default language is English. For paid plans, select your preferred language from English, Tagalog, French, or Spanish. Customize your branding. Now remember that this feature is for paid plans only. Here, you may change the header and footer background colors and the exercise instruction text color on your generated PDF to match your brand. You can change your password. Remember to use a strong, unique password to keep your account secure. First, enter your current password. Then, enter the new password twice. Lastly, click Reset Password. And that's it. You're now familiar with the basics of navigating and updating your profile and account settings. Keeping this information up to date and secure helps you get the most out of our platform. For any inquiries or further assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to us through email at contact@thehealthleap.ca. Enjoy exploring and making the most of your account. See you next time!